Hi guys, we got a 1978 Buick Electra. Just did duals on it, a whole bunch of work, basically redid everything underneath. So, took out the old factory converter and put a much smaller converter in there for him. Wide pipe, and then ran it dualed all the way from there into some accelerator, straight throughs. Part number is XS0416. Right there and there. And brought it back over the axle, tailpipes, and out with the blue flame tips. Right there and right there. Looks real clean, looks real nice. So we'll let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Sound good, don't it? Yeah? Sound a whole lot better. Sounds good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Put a high flow cat on it. Wide pipe duals all the way out to the back with the accelerator mufflers.